Hi, so I wanted to show you today how I started with this single heart image and added the insert for my shirt using contour. For this shirt, the outside black is made with glitter vinyl and the inside is made with a patterned iron-on vinyl. Go to your design panel, select images, do a keyword search for heart. You can see there are a lot of hearts to choose from, so you'll just scroll down to find a heart that you liked. I was looking for one with a sketchy double layer, and right here this hit the bill. So I'm going to add that to my canvas. I'll make my final design about 7 inches, so I'm going to go ahead and change my width to 7 inches. Now I need to duplicate the heart because I'm going to use contour to remove these outside cut lines, leaving me with the inside heart piece. So I'll go to my layers panel and select duplicate. This will give me 2 hearts on my canvas. On the second heart that I added to my canvas, what I want to do is remove these black cut lines, leaving just the inside heart. So with this second heart selected, I'll go to contour in my actions panel. I will hide the single cut lines and the outside heart shape. When I hit the X, it applies the contour, leaving me with just the center heart. I can change the color so you'll see how I now have the centerpiece of my design and it will fit right inside there like that. So what I'll do is go ahead and send it to my prepare screen and choose make it. I'll be cutting this on a mat and I'll want to mirror the image for both the outside heart and the inside heart. And I mirror the image because I'm using iron-on vinyl. Select continue and you'll choose your material settings for each material. This will be using the Smart Iron-On glitter. So I choose glitter iron-on for that layer. And this layer will be using printed iron-on vinyl. So I'll need to browse all materials. I'll do a quick keyword search for iron-on and all the different iron-on choices pop up. And I'll select patterned iron-on. Click done. Now I've selected this material as patterned iron-on and I go ahead and send it to my machine with its flashing light.